Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in many places you must have seen they are asking for offline KYC or offline e-KYC or offline Aadhaar in XML file. So how to download this type of file from Aadhaar portal and upload it wherever they are asking it, and how to create a password of your XML file. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to do that. So open the Google and search it as Aadhaar UIDAI login, and you will see the first option. You can open that, and here you have to click on login. So enter the Aadhaar number and the captcha. So once you enter a captcha, you will receive a OTP. You have to enter your OTP here. So click on login. So once you will log in to this Aadhaar portal, you have to scroll down. So here you will see the option as offline e-KYC. You have to click on this, and you have to enter a share code. So whatever code you are keeping this, that code will be a password for your file. So for example, I will keep some value and I will click on download. So here you can see file downloaded. I will go to open. So here you can see offline Aadhaar. This XML file is downloaded. Now you can upload it wherever you want it. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.